हाँ. Sure, sure. So, if you see what has happened today, if you look at India, this is as of 2017, December 2017, we have close to around 429 million people in the country who are accessing internet, who are using. So, out of the entire population, 34% of India is already onto the internet, already using the internet. And what are they using it for? Everything. They are using it for buying, they are using it for hailing a cab, they are using it for banking. You name it, and everything is happening onto the mobile phone. Everything is happening onto the internet. And if you see, we are the number 2 in the world. China has close to 755 million people who are onto the internet. We are slightly behind them. We are at 429 million. But you see very soon what is good. The predictions are by the end of 2020 or 2022. Any guesses what this 429 million will become? So what's our population, by the way? So our current population, if you talk in millions, is around 1200 million. It's 1200 million. Out of 1200 million, 400 million are already onto the internet. And who are these? So there are older people. The entire population consists of very young children. So we have a much younger population. We have older people also with us. If you remove them who are not using internet, already we are at close to 40-50% of the people are using the internet. Normal people who are there are using the internet which is there. And this figure, as per the estimates by a lot of consultancies, is going to go to 700 million by 2020 or max 2022, which is another 4 years. Another 3 to 4 years, 700 million Indians are going to be on a smartphone connected to the internet through their mobile networks. That is how they are going. And what are they going to do? They are going to spend 2-3 hours of their time every day on different things onto their mobile phones. And what is happening? It is completely becoming a big challenge for business. So we'll look at what is this challenge that this is giving to business. Some more statistics, you can have a look at it. So as we said, close to around 429 million people onto the internet, which is there. Look at the number of social media users, smartphone users. Extremely good statistics to look at. So what is happening is, this trend is going to grow very, very fast. So very fast this trend is going to. Why is this trend going to go very fast? Any guesses? So one is, we said data is cheap, right? So data is so cheap that it's available at 4 rupees a GB. But what is the other one? The device. Now see what is happening to the device, the mobile phone, right? All of us have smartphones today. How fast do we change these smartphones? How fast do we change the smartphones? Within the year. So the average in India is 22 months. Every 22 months, it's not even 2 years, it's not even 24 months. Every 22 months people are changing their smartphone. They are buying a new smartphone. And what are they doing with their old smartphone? What are they doing? They are selling it off in the second hand market, but that's very rare. What are they doing most of the time? Exchange? No, they don't keep it. It goes to somebody else in the family. It goes to somebody else in. So in my house, we follow a very nice sequence. So whenever I buy a smartphone, my smartphone goes to my wife's smartphone goes to my son, and now my son's smartphone goes to my daughter. So this time, the deal is already stuck. So this device, by my next smartphone, till now my daughter doesn't have a smartphone. So son's phone is going to go to her, and that sequence is going to follow. Already my mother has a smartphone, my father has a smartphone. So my older smartphones have already gone. My daughter, who is hardly 10 years old, she will have a smartphone by this Diwali. She already has interestingly, she already has a tab with her. So most of her educational stuff, Google and all, she does her on her own tab. She has a Lenovo tab on which she does this. This is the change that is happening. So you see more and more people, more different. People are not going to wait today for 18 years to access the internet. People are doing it at 7 years. People are doing. My sister's son, he is hardly 4 years old. He actually goes to YouTube on the iPad, his father's iPad, and watches a lot of these cartoons. So he goes to YouTube, he looks at these cartoons, he clicks on it, he knows how to open a YouTube video on an iPad, and he looks at his videos on the iPad. Hardly 3-year-old. So you see what is going to happen is everything, you name it, education is going to happen digitally. It has already started. Today that's what we are doing, right? So there is a webinar happening. People who are not attending will be able to see it live. So this is already, education is going digital. Games are going digital, buying is going digital, transportation is going digital, everything is happening digital. So this is the biggest change that is happening with this kind of thing. So if you look at out of our total percentage of internet users, so out of this 400 million users, Already 52% of these, which is 200 million people today, already are doing e-commerce. So they are buying on their mobile phone. Most of you must be doing. When this sale happens, you are buying shoes, you are buying clothes, buying mobile phones. Interestingly, smartphones, if you look at the smartphone market in India, 5 years or 6 years back, the first time you would have bought your first smartphone, how would you have bought it? What would you have done to buy your smartphone? You would have gone to a shop, you would have gone to that JM Road where all the mobile shops are there. You would have gone, seen those mobiles, asked for the price, visited 3-4 shops, and then you would have bought your first smartphone. Today, 55% of smartphone sales in India, not worldwide, in India, happen on e-commerce.